Alright, so the SPY, so nothing has really changed on the SPY either. We are still, or technically we're just above the 200-day moving average right now. If I come over to the daily chart, you can see whenever we do break below this, we normally do have a breakdown, a retest just above this line before we have another mass capitulation event. So over here as well, you can see we broke below it, we broke above it, and everyone was celebrating here, here, and here, and then we cascaded down as well. The best case scenario would be something like this, and honestly, if we don't get above the 200-day moving average and start closing daily and weekly candles, we are going to see a mass liquidation event for the SPY. There's no other way around it. So every time we do break below the 200-day, if I pull up the 200 week moving average instead of the day, you can see we normally capitulate down to these levels. In this event, we went even further than the 200 week moving average, so that's why we have a we'd have to draw this up a little bit now, but this would be looking at about a 22.5% dump from where we are in the stock market. So the stock market, like everything else, has not made a decision yet. We're still below our moving averages, or we're still just sitting on them right now. And even if we do get above them, there's nothing to celebrate for now. We need to see what's going to happen if we can get above here and close a potential weekly candle and have a relief rally. Then I would definitely be putting longs in for Bitcoin. I don't trade stocks, but I do let the stock market. The stock market does decide most of the time what Bitcoin's going to be doing. So if the stock market's going to rally, most likely Bitcoin will break above the 40,000 level here, which would be a confirmed W pattern. So we could definitely put in a long around about this region. So SPY, I mean, we are, yeah, nothing has changed on the SPY. SPX is the same. Nasdaq's a little bit lower than the 200-day moving average, and the dollar's showing strength as well right now. So things are not looking too good for crypto and the stock market. There is a lot of buying volume coming in on the SPY though, which is good on the daily. Also, the RSI did get down to 24 down here. You can see max pain for the RSI on the stock market is normally 19 to 17. Here we even got down to, well, yeah, this is also 17, and down here, yeah, 17. So max pain for the RSI on the stock market does seem to be 24, specifically for the SPY. So I can't rule out another rollover on the RSI, which would obviously be indicative that we're going to come down to the 200 week moving average down here. So we're going to need to see what happens. Like I said, if we can close a weekly candle above the 200-day moving average here and start seeing some more volume coming in, because I mean this is good volume for now, but we want to see more volume coming in, obviously. You can see in these capitulation levels we did have mass volume step in, but it wasn't enough. Obviously we kept rolling over. So let's check out what the dips look like on the weekly. So have we closed a weekly candle? Okay, so we have closed one weekly candle below the 200-day moving average. On this massive capitulation, it happened because we closed a weekly. On this capitulation, it happened because we closed a weekly. This capitulation was the same. This capitulation also closed a weekly, but you can see we had one, and within 2 weeks we decided to come back above the 200-day moving average. So on here you see we after 2 weeks we didn't get back above, so we had a little bit more pain coming in. Here 1-2 weeks we didn't get above, so we had more pain. On this level here we closed 2 candles below and came back up, retested, and started rolling over again. So For the stock market, I don't think we will make a decision anytime soon. A lot of people are getting out of bed for a small bounce right now, and I just don't think that's wise. I think we need to see what the markets are going to be saying. So I do believe one weekly candle would be enough to confirm a reversal, but we would need to see a very strong bounce, and I don't want to see a bounce which is a lower high for the stock market. So I'm not a fan of resistance lines, but if we just draw a quick wick, you can see anything that would get us above this downtrend level would probably be bullish in the short term, but until then we're just going to have to see what the market says. So once again, none of this is financial advice, just my opinions on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you.